Want to make $100 a day without breaking a sweat? Whether you are busy, lazy, or just looking for an effortless side hustle, I've got you covered in this video. I'll show you 6 of the laziest ways that you can make $100 daily in 2025 with no skills, no experience, and almost no effort. And the best part, most of these can be completely passive. And stick around because number 6 is my favorite and requires almost zero work. Yeah, hi, I'm Martin from martinburt.online, and I make videos all about making money online so that you can actually make money online too. So if you're ready to make $100 daily with these 6 lazy methods, then let's get started. So the first one we're going to look about is called AI-powered reselling. Now, AI is your best friend. With tools like ChatGPT, MidJourney, Canva, you can create digital products like logos, ebooks, and website templates without actually designing them yourself. Here's how. Step 1, use ChatGPT to generate ebooks in minutes. Once you're inside ChatGPT, all you need to do is give ChatGPT a prompt and it will go and do its work. You could type in something really basic, just like please create an ebook about the best training for a puppy. And then all you have to do is click and it will start creating. So let's leave that to actually carry on doing that. So step 2, you can actually go to Canva and actually design a ebook cover. Canva has over nearly 2,500 actual templates that you can use. Before we go on to step 3, let's check out exactly what ChatGPT has created. So it's given us a breakdown of the actual ebook. Okay, so it's chapter 1, you're obviously understanding your puppy and things like that. And as you can see, that gives you the basis. Then you can actually go and ask ChatGPT to actually create these actual chapters for you as well. So you will end up with a complete ebook. Once you've created your actual ebook, you can put it on sites such as Etsy or even Amazon. Because it's a digital product, you don't have to ship anything to generate sales, creating you a passive income. The second way we're going to talk about today, that is about creating a faceless YouTube channel. So what if I told you you could actually run a YouTube channel and without ever showing your face yourself? Yep, faceless YouTube channels are a thing and you can make serious money with these. So here's what you would need to do. You need to pick a niche that your channel was going to be about. Now there are various things you can choose. You've got motivation, you've obviously got even things like fun science and that sort of thing. And also there's a site called Brainy Dose, and never ever showing their face on the videos. And as you can see, Brainy Dose here has got 2.3 million subscribers. And that's only through 648 videos. So as you can see, these videos have been watched millions and millions of times. So you could use sites such as 11 Labs to create obviously your realistic speech on your videos. You could get stock videos from a site called Pexels. Now obviously if you needed to edit these videos, I would recommend sites that I've actually used, and that is CapCut and also Power Director 365. Now you could start earning revenue straight away from these faceless things by implementing what we call affiliate marketing. But also once your channel hits a certain spec, you can actually monetize that with YouTube ads as well. Plus, as your channel grows, you'll also get sponsorship deals. And of course, if you wanted this totally passive and not even get involved in the editing side, you could also outsource that to sites such as Fiverr and let others do the work for you. Number 3 is cash apps and free money hacks. So now let's talk about free money. That's right, these apps literally pay you for things you already do. Sites such as Rakuten and Top Cashback in the UK will give you cashback every time you spend online. You've even got apps such as Honeygain that will pay you for actually sharing your internet. And yes, this is a legit way. I've earned lots of money doing just that with Honeygain. Some banks will even pay you just for opening an account. Now, of course, you're not going to get rich with these apps, but stacking these methods can easily bring an extra $100 a day with no effort at all. And you've got to remember, there are hundreds of different apps out there that you could use to actually start earning cash. So the fourth one we're going to talk about today is selling AI generated printables. If you can drag and drop, then you can make money with this. AI generated printables are an easy way to make massive income. Here's the step-by-step. You could use a site such as Canva, which we've mentioned before, where you can actually go in and obviously they'll create journals and printables for you. Again, you can just search printables. Canva's actually got over 20,000 different templates that you can actually use. And of course, all you've got to do is literally pick one of these and rebrand it to your own colors, etc., with your own content, and then you can sell it as yours. Once you've created your printable, you can upload it to a site called Etsy. And if we search printables here, look at these, loads and loads of different printables come up. And I've actually looked into this seller here. As you can see, they are selling their printables at the moment. They've got them on a special offer at just £1 each. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're not going to make much money by just selling them at £1 each. Well, just look how many sales she's actually made. 79,000 sales. So if she's been selling some of these at £1, some of them at more, she's made at least £79,000. Wouldn't you like to have an extra £79,000? Maybe this is the one that you need to obviously try. Do also remember that this is a little bit of a saturated market on Etsy. You could find other ways of selling these as well. Don't obviously create just the box standard what everyone else is creating. If you can create something a little bit niche that maybe someone might pay £3 or £4 for, you can obviously sell less, but obviously charge more. Just imagine if you are selling just 20 printables a day for $5 a day, that gives you your $100 daily, completely passive once you've actually created it. So the next one I want to talk about, number 5, and that is renting out digital assets. So you could do things like flipping websites, domain sales, and also simple website templates. Okay, so this one's a little bit sneaky, but super effective, and I've actually done it myself. Did you know you can actually rent out websites to local businesses for passive income? So this is how it works. You can actually go and buy a cheap domain name, such as on Namecheap. Then if you want, you can either flip these domains and charge more for them, or you can actually go and create a website, which is what I would recommend that you actually go and do, because you can actually create a monthly income with a website. Now you want to target service providers such as builders, dentists, plumbers, electricians that need to generate ongoing business all the time, but don't have a website. Once you've got your domain, you can host it as well, and then you can create a WordPress website with something like Thrive Themes. Now, I've used Thrive Themes a lot to create all my websites, and literally they've got so many templates in here that you can actually have a website up and running within a few minutes. And I'm not joking there. It could be within a few minutes. So there is a little bit of work to begin with, but once you've got the website up and running, you can then actually rent it out every single month to a particular electrician or plumber, set it up so they can actually create leads for them using all their details, such as their phone number, their email, and a contact form that goes back to their email. So you have nothing at all to do with it once it's all set up. Now, for a lot of these businesses and that I've actually recommended so far, you will find them on my own website in my resource tab. As you can see, we've got Thrive Suite here, which you can actually use with WordPress. You've got hosting and a domain name, GoDaddy if you want. Loads of other things that will help you make money online. So all you've basically got to get, you've got to get this ranking for certain keywords within the niche that you are looking for. So that could be best plumbers in Miami. Once you start getting traffic to the website, you can then rent the site out to a business for probably $100 to $500 per month. So like I say, once this is up and running, you're getting paid every single month, just like a landlord, except it's all online. Okay, so the final one we're going to look about, and that is affiliate marketing with AI blogs. Now, this is my personal favorite and something that I do with obviously my blogs as well. Affiliate marketing with AI blogs. You can use AI tools to create your blog posts. Now, this method is stupidly simple and can make you some serious money. So again, this is how you would actually do it. You'd obviously create a niche and then make sure all of your blog posts and website is all created with it around the same niche. And the tool you can use for creating this is called SEOwriting.ai. you can actually put in keywords, and then SEO writing will actually generate your blog posts for you. Now, obviously, you do have to go through them and make sure that they're obviously the information that they've given you is correct. And also, you could run them through a plagiarism website as well, just to make sure that all the content is unique. Now, if you wanted to try this, and I've also got a discount code, which I will put below in the comments below here for SEOwriting.io. So if blogging is something that you want to get involved in, you want to try, and you want to try SEO writing, you can do it for just a few bucks with my discount code. You can also get it obviously on my resources page, like I just mentioned. You scroll down, we've got it on here, and there it is, SEO writing. And you can actually try SEO writing for free, and then you can obviously use the discount code to get a 25% discount. Now, in order to make money with your blogging, you would need to put affiliate links inside your content. Now, depending on your niche, you could use sites such as ClickBank, or you could even use Amazon. Amazon Associates is where you can actually sign up, and then you can create affiliate links for any product on the Amazon website. How cool is that? Now, if you want to know more about affiliate marketing, I've actually got a free guide that I'm giving away. It's called the Affiliate Profit Formula. You can grab it by checking out the link in the description below here, where you can go and get it for free. And I've earned over 6 figures with affiliate marketing over the last few years. Now, what you can also do with blogging, you can actually get to a stage where you can put ads on your blogs as well. So you can get even more cash coming through just by people actually searching and reading your blogs. You've got to remember, AI does most of the work for you now these days. One blog post could make you money for years if it's ranked highly in the search engines. Imagine having 10, 20, or even 50 blogs all bringing you in daily commissions. Okay, so there you have it. These are the 6 laziest ways that you can make $100 in a day in 2025. So which one are you going to try first? Drop me a comment below and let me know. Also, if you want more lazy ways to make money online, make sure you obviously subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. So that's it for today. We will see you on the next video.